Clearing obstructions in clogged laterals, main lines, and commercial lines is a big job in a messy, stressful environment. The new Ridgid K5208 Drain Cleaner's unique sectional cable carrier system helps you do the job faster, more easily, and more efficiently, while keeping your workspace cleaner and more organized. The K5208 clears clogged drain lines of 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length, using 7/8 inch and 1 1/4 inch diameter sectional cables. Most cable carriers are made out of wire. To get one section out, you need to pull the entire length out. And do you really want to work with this much cable lying on the ground? The K5208 uses a heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant cable drum that keeps unused cable sections clean and dry. It keeps you safe, and it withstands the demands of the most difficult jobs. It won't dent or corrode, and it cleans easily. The cable carrier drum attaches to this heavy-duty turntable, providing easy access for quickly loading and unloading the cable. Pull the cable sections from the drum as you need them. The rest of the cable stays neat and dry in the drum. If you run out of cables, no problem. You simply take the empty drum off by unclamping it, pull it off the turntable, and load another full drum of cables on the turntable. It clamps easily in place using the new guide tube. Then when you're done, you simply store the cable back in the drum. This unique cable carrier system can be purchased separately for use on any of Ridgid's sectional drain cleaners, and is just one of the many advanced features of the new K5208, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. And you can take it anywhere. And like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the Ridgid K5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty.